this one is the original sketch of the offer components. I thought that you guys would want to see that this is actually, this was actually a doodle that I iterated off of from my gym launch secrets book, which you guys probably don't know about. But these drawings actually first appeared in my gym launch book. All right, and so this concept then became kind of the rallying call. So I know this, I try to put this in an order, but this visual became what I then went back to my table of contents for and was like, okay, what if I cut out all the client sources stuff? What if I cut out all the sales stuff and I just focus on this one checklist? And so this checklist became, so like you think about pre-frame, authority approved, price anchoring, that is where like the whole pricing section came in. Splinter stack is the whole section on how do you break apart the problems and then create solutions, right? And then you have scarcity, urgency, crazy guarantee. I took out the continuity thing because I'm saving that for something else. But like that ended up becoming the points for the book, and you can see each of these little doodles many of them actually ended up becoming the chapter headings, like sold out, like that actual little doodle and urgency, those little doodles became the titles and the cover for each of the chapters in the book.